Good morning, student. This is Priyanka ma'am. Today I am going to teach you chapter 9, articles. Do you know what is an articles? First of all, I will tell you there are three articles in English: a and the. Three articles: a and the. Words used before noun and modifies noun. Articles are the words used before nouns and modifies noun. Functions: they are demonstrative adjectives and are used to point out people or things. What it does, it is used to demonstrate, it is used to point out people or thing. Suppose a man, an umbrella, the sky, the moon. So we point out these nouns. Okay. So these are called demonstrative adjectives also. Specific or general. A and the. These articles are categorized in different types as per their uses. Now, types of adjectives. Definite. Two types of adjective: definite articles and indefinite articles. What is definite articles? The is a definite articles and a and is an indefinite articles. Okay. It shows uniqueness and it is specific. A and general. So we can say the suggests a particular person or thing, or a and suggest any person, people or thing. Is it clear? Now see, we will take one example. First of all, I will take the example of indefinite articles. Bring a chair. It means you have to bring a chair. A chair means any chair, not particular chair, not a special chair. Any chair you can bring. But in definite articles, what is happening? Definite articles, the, bring the chair laying near the window. Which chair you have to bring? The chair laying near the window. It shows that it is a particular, okay, particular chair laying near a particular window. So that chair you have to bring, not any chair. Okay. So it's the shows particular things, or any chair. A shows any chair in general way. You can take any chair from the anywhere. Okay. Now see. Next. When to use a or an? You all know about it. What is vowel? A, E, I, O, U. 5 vowels are there. So what we will do, if the words start with a vowel sound, we use an. If the words start with a consonant sound, use a. Is it clear? And first letter is A, so it's a vowel sound. Use an. Umbrella, U, vowel sound. Use an. E, vowel sound. Use an. Boy, B, consonant. A. T, tree. A. Ox is a vowel sound. First letter is O, so use an. Is it clear? If the words start with a vowel sound, use an. If the words start with a consonant sound, use a. Now next, we use a before a countable noun in a singular number beginning with a consonant sound. All these words, okay. See, number 1, a man, flower, cow. These 3 words are countable. We can count man, flower, cow. These are countable nouns and they are in singular form, and what is happening? Begins with the consonant sound. So what we have to use? A flower, a cow, a man. Now next, the use of the articles with some words beginning with the vowels. What is happening? You see, university, first letter is U. European, first letter is E. 1 rupee note, first letter is O. But what is happening? Here the words begin with a vowel sound. Vowels. But both these words are pronounced with a U, consonant sound. What is happening? E. But sound is U. U. Sound is U. Here, one sound is W. So, it pronounced with the U sound or consonant sound. So, we will use here A. Okay? Not an. Is it clear? It's very important that sound is, you have to see what the sounds are. If the sounds is in consonant, use A. If sounds are in vowel, use an. Okay, now next, we use an before a countable noun in the singular number beginning with a vowel sound. An ant, an apple. Here these nouns are in countable. These are countable noun, singular noun and vowel sound. These are also countable, singular but vowel sound. So use an. Many words begins with a silent H. So they also begin with a vowel sound. An hour, H is silent. An honest, H is silent. An honorable, H is silent. But sounds are vowel. But these vowel sounds are there. So use an. In abbreviation, if consonant begins with a vowel sound, they take an with them. An MA, but sounds are M. Vowel sound E, sounds are E. Sound is E. So this is vowel sound, use an. PhD, consonant sound P. So use A. MA, vowel sound M. E. So use an. BA, B, consonant sound, use A. Okay, that's all. We will see what we have learned. What we have learned today. We have learned the articles, the uses of articles, types of articles, the an, definite, the an, indefinite, uses of these words, how to use an. But in next video I will tell you how to use the and where we have to use the. Okay, it's okay, it's enough for today. And see, this is the exercise 1. Complete it. I know you can do. Okay, if you have any problem you can ask. Thank you, class.